Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing and review on my new Fandon gun safe. It weighs about 61 pounds and is made of an alloy steel. It came with 4 expansion screws in case you wanted to mount it to the wall. Alright, so there it is. So this has to be the easiest gun safe that I've ever seen because literally just comes in the box already built in. All you have to do is install the batteries, which I just did. So there's 2 ways to get into the safe is to use the keys. So all you have to do is take this little piece off right here, and then you can use the provided keys to unlock it, or you can set a 3 to 8 digit pin to also open it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the pin. You can see mine. There it is, you hear it, turn it, and then you are ready to go. So this spot right here is where you're gonna put your batteries. It's 4 AAAs, I believe. And then right below that, you can fit the smaller weapons into these 3 pouches. And then these right here, this is an adjustable shelf. So you can move this to the top or to the bottom. These are for larger weapons. And like I said, these are adjustable as well. It comes with 2 of them. And then last, it comes with this accessory bag to drill your safe to the wall. So that way it's not moving around. So literally everything that you need. If you want to set the pin on there, there's a red button right here. It says settings button. You'll push that once, it'll beep, and then you'll enter your 3 to 8 digit pin here, then hit pound, and then it'll save it. So like I said, right now it's locked, so see how it turns green? It's ready to go, and we're locked. This is one that I saw that has like an extra lock on here, so watch, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So once I put my pin here, you also need to turn this one. There it is, so it's locked up again. We'll go ahead and put this piece on there for extra security. So if you're looking for a gun safe, definitely look into getting one of these. Just based on what I see here, highly recommend.